Hello, welcome back to Gorilla Finance, your home for simple and clear crypto updates. Today, we're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two giants of the crypto market. Prices have been moving a lot recently, and everyone is asking, what's next? Stick around till the end because I'll share the key levels to watch and what might happen in the coming week. Let's start with Bitcoin. BTC. Recently, Bitcoin has been trading around insert current price. The support level right now is near insert support, and the resistance is around insert resistance. If Bitcoin breaks above resistance, we could see another push upward, but if it drops below support, there might be more downside. Bitcoin's movement is important because it usually leads the whole crypto market. Now, let's move to Ethereum, ETH. The second largest cryptocurrency, ETH is trading around insert current price. Ethereum's key support is at insert support, and resistance is at insert resistance. A big topic for Ethereum right now is mention ETH upgrades, staking, gas fees, or ETH 2.0. This could strongly affect the price in the next months. If ETH can break past resistance, we could see it moving closer to. So, what's next for the market overall? A lot depends on Bitcoin's next move. If it stays strong, Ethereum and altcoins usually follow. But remember, crypto is very volatile, so it's important to be prepared for both directions. Some analysts are expecting a strong second half of the year, but short-term corrections are always possible. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Bitcoin will hit new highs this year, or will we see another correction? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Gorilla Finance, hit the bell, and stay updated with the latest crypto news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.